Hello, you trader nerds. Sweet Bobby here on the second trading day of the new year, and the Lord has blessed us already with me going to the dentist today and getting shots all in my mouth. I keep thinking I'm going to get those new teeth like on the top left side, and every time I go, it's like, oh no, that's next time. Oh no, that's next time. So I now got some kind of metal sticking out of my mouth on those side there where they're going to put in some implants or something. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. So welcome in, y'all. Look at this. Rock on, rock on. All right, let's see how the market's doing. So we got good volume, 5,200 contracts. VIX is almost to 14, so we're at 13. AD gliding down, and we're down 0.71%. Oh, behave. What is wrong? Wow. Let's look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster is oversold. So we would expect this to be an area of support and resistance, and it is, amazingly so. And we've got almost a double bottom on the 10-day, 30-minute chart. What does that mean? No, it should mean that price is going to pull back up into here. So we'll see. We're oversold. Well, it doesn't matter with our little strategy, though, does it? So let's see how we're doing today in the Crimson account. Crimson. Crimson is at 21,066, 21,067. 21,067. Praise the Lord Jesus.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
That's what I'm talking about. We made like $31. All right, let's see how our account's doing. I should never have eat a Starburst while I'm on air. My apologies. So let's see. What do we got with ES? We got a 12 and 20 and 3. So we really don't need to count those deltas and those thetas, right? We need to count these from the macros. So from the macros, we've got 35 and 35. So let's put those in. 35 and 35. Beautimous. And we're at 13 there. And our overall buying power, really, I should just count the MES, right? And not count that. Really, if I'm gonna be consistent. 10,400. What's that look like? 10,400. All right. So we're using 50% of our account without the hedges. So, theta is what it is. I don't need to do anything. There's nothing to do here. All right. So let's just see. Yeah, I think there's nothing to do. I should have a couple of working orders. Yep. We've got to buy some loans. We've got to harvest some shorts. So everything's working just as it is. All right. So let's go to the two tasty accounts. Let's go find those. So here we are at 42,025. 42,025. Let's put that in. 42,025. So we're down a little bit from yesterday. These big moves are not influencing our account. Do y'all notice that? Not messing with us at all. Down $19 on a 0.7% down day. Wang, cry me a river. So our Greeks and ratios here are, let's see, it's this account. So let's see that account. We are at, let's see, this one's hard to tell. Let's see, we got a 112 there. So we got 10 deltas here, negative. So that should mean we're, what if I'm 10 negative here? I'm actually 43 along, and -3 deltas here. So should be like 43. And if I add this back, 43 plus 4 is 43, right? 43. Let's put that in. 43. Now that looks better. VIX is at 13. And our buying power usage, this is a hard one to figure out. Let's see, because we got, oh, it's just incredible. So 9,800. I'll just have to count all of them. Kind of hard to keep up with all of them here. 9,800. What was it? 3,700 yesterday. Anyway, 9,800, 23%, 0.10%. Nothing to do here either, y'all. We're right where we need to be without the hedges. So we're fine there. Okay. So yesterday, let's see what positions we have. Okay. So we've got the 12 and 20, and we've started the next tranche of the Black Swan hedge. So everything looks really, really good here. Other than with the down move, it looks like our buying power usage is down, or it's up to 101%. So we might want to just take a couple of shares of bill off. Right? Let's take a couple shares of this off. Let's take about 10 shares off just to take something off. And just get out of that. There we go. Oh my God, that did above with my things. I should have, what did I just do? I did do 10, didn't I? Field. Yesterday. Yeah, so we feel 10 shares of that. Okay, let me do another 10 shares. Positions. Bill should decrease our buying powers. Let's do 15 shares. There we go. Let's do about 15 more shares. Just want to get that under, y'all. I don't want any problems with them. I don't want them calling. I don't want saying, hey man, what are you doing? Here we go. Get under 100. There we go. 98 point or 100.8. Let me do 5 more shares. Positions, close. Just want that under. Let's do 10. That should get us under. Come on, baby. God, it's close. Anyway, now I'm stopping there. If I get a margin call, I get a margin call. I think I'm fine though. All right. Now let's go to the Willy Wonka account, the big account, the mega account. Okay, let's see how we're doing there. So on the mega account, we are at, wow, 459,027, 459,027. So 459,027. Look at there, y'all. 459,027, and the market's going down. Are you kidding me? This is what we like.
Well, we're moving on now. Moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
If we can get the Greeks ratios on this, we're pretty good. So we're at 279, 289. It's hard for me to break them apart in this account. So I'll just do 279, 289. 279, 289. And remember, today's the day that we actually have to put a trade on in this account. And our buying power usage is, let's see, let's go to positions here. So we are at 125.7. All right, it's time to put in a trade. And we're going to go over this Friday in the Muscadine Mafia Hello Ladies game.
Hello, ladies.
And Ninja Nerd sessions about sizing it up. And I'm going to show you a little spreadsheet that I've come up, and I'll share it with you on Friday. So if y'all are part of those groups, you'll get that spreadsheet that'll help you size up your positions. But it's basically time for me to do a position. So what we're going to do, let's see how much buying power we got here. Well, we may have to clear some here, but we'll see. Well, we got $20,000. So we should be fine in this account. I think it takes about $12,000 to do the trade. So let's go ES. Let's go to trade, and let's go closest to 120 days. So it's got 118 days here. So let's buy the put debit spread first. So we'll go 25 delta, 25 delta. So we could buy the 45.50. We could sell the 4,500. See if we can get filled on that. So one tranche. There we go. So we did the 4550, 4500. 4550, 45. Do y'all care that I'm in a class? Geez. 4550, 4500. Let's put this in. We did ES, number of contracts. Uh-oh. Sorry, we got to do that. I always do my naked stuff first. 4550, 4500. And we did one contract, and we'll call this, I don't know, I guess we'll call it one, right? We'll call this PDS one for the years, put, it's a debit spread, 118 days or so. We entered it on 1/3/24. And the price was billed at 860. 860. Beautimous. There, good. And so now we got to do our naked put. So we'll do two of these. And we'll call this an NP1. And let's see where that's going to be. That's going to be a put. It's going to be a naked. It's going to be 118 days. 1/3/24. All right. So let's go do our naked put. So here we'll trade at 118 days. If that actually is 118 days, you know how this thing doesn't update all the time. Let's see if it is 118 days. Let's see over here. Trade ES. And ES is, and is it 118 days or is it something else? Yep, it's 118 days. All right. All right, so let's go back. 118 days. So we got to go to the 5% probability of being in the money. So let's go to these 3900s. And let's sell two of those. Two of those at 15.25. You want to? So we should have enough buying power. No, we don't have enough buying power, do we? $6,000. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't have enough buying
You're on
power.
3950.
Is that not the one I'm supposed to be on? Oh, 39. Thought I was on 3900. All right, so we got to clear a little space here. How much was that going to take? 3,900 is going to take $12,000, and I've only got $6,000. So I got to clear like what, 60 shares of BIL. Let's see what we can do here. Let's get rid of them. 60 shares of BIL. There we go. So we'll sell 60. See what. 17,000. I sold more than I should, but that's fine. No big deal. So let's go back to trade, and let's go to ES, and let's go to that 118 days, and we go to the 3,900, and we're going to do two of those, and then we're going to go move that up to 15.25, and swank. Nothing. Jack squat crap. Let's do that. $15. 3,900 at $15. Daddy's fixing to come down. $15. There we go. And let's see. Let's see if we can group these trades. God, it's so hard sometimes, isn't it? So let's go positions, group by symbol, group by custom. And so we did the M-Force today, right? So we did the 3,900s. Here we go. And this and this and this. So we're going to call this, let's see, what am I calling these things? I'm going to call it 1121, I guess. I got to come up with some kind of name to do this. Group positions, group as first. How about that? 1, 1, 2. Beautiful. Now, here, let's see what else we also got. We've got a black swan hedge. that we've already harvested on. So we've got 8 loans remaining. What else we got here? We got a bill. We got a Black Swan Hedge 1. What else do we got here? We got 3. So that's a start of a Black Swan Hedge, right? So we should have some working orders as well. Let's see, working orders. There we go. So we got a working order to fill some loans. Everybody see that? We've got a working order to fill some loans, and we've got a working order to harvest some shorts. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right. Any questions? Everybody good? All right. If not, I will see y'all.